In today's video, I'm going to teach you scale object to a specific size. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any object you've drawn and scale it so it matches a precise measurement using a clean reference-based approach that keeps your geometry accurate. First, begin by selecting the object or objects you want to resize. Click directly on the geometry so it highlights and make sure you've captured everything you intend to scale. If you're working with a detailed drawing, zoom in so you can clearly see what you're selecting. It's a good idea to keep related items grouped in your selection to avoid misalignment later. With your object selected, start the scale command. Do this by typing SC, then press enter. This launches the scaling tool and puts you in a mode where the software is ready for your instructions. Keep an eye on the command line or prompt area because it gives you cues about what it's expecting next. Next, specify a base point. Click a point on the object that will serve as your anchor during scaling. Think of this base point as the hinge or pivot that stays fixed, while the rest of the object grows or shrinks around it. Choose a meaningful spot, preferably a point that should remain in exactly the same place after the scaling is done. Snapping to a recognizable corner or midpoint can help keep things precise. Now use the reference option. Type R, then press enter. The reference option is the key to scaling to a specific size because it tells the software you want to scale based on a known measurement rather than a guess or a general factor. You're effectively saying, I know the current distance between 2 points on this object, and I want that distance to become a specific size. With reference active, follow the prompts to indicate the length you're basing the scale on and the exact size you need it to be. This method eliminates guesswork and ensures the final scaled object matches your intended dimension with precision. It's particularly useful when you're adapting a drawing from an unknown scale or aligning one component to fit a known space. As you complete the process, watch the preview and confirm that your base point remains fixed, your proportions look correct, and the object scales uniformly as expected. If something looks off, you can cancel and repeat the steps, choosing a more reliable base point or double-checking your reference. That's it. With selection, SE Enter, a solid base point, and the reference option, you can confidently scale any object to an exact size.